We're going to be trying out Total Boats epoxy resin for this and see how it turns out. Instruction says with the pump, 1 pump of resin to 1 pump of hardener. I believe it is a 2 to 1, so if you use the cups, you could go to the 2 to 1 here for the hardener and then for the resin. 1 blue, 1 pump for 1 red. I need very little for this, so I'm thinking maybe 1 or 2 pumps. I'm gonna try it in a small cup and see how it goes. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, which that's very full. So 3 minutes. Here we go. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's project. A fun little scroll saw project you could do over the weekend. I'd like to thank Total Boat for the epoxy resin. It turned out great in the jewelry dish and seemed good for the pattern. If you want to see more scroll saw projects like this, I've got a list down below in a playlist for scroll saw projects. Check that out. I also leave some affiliate links, some tools that we use throughout the build. Thank you for watching. As always, remember, be kind to one another.